Hello friends, my name is Vishnu and welcome to my channel Learn to Speak English. So friends, today I have got 5 simple and effective tips to improve your English listening skill. Do you feel any difficulties to understand a native speaker or any English language video? I had the same problem when I began to learn. It is quite difficult to understand a native speaker. Today we are going to look into the solution for this problem. I broadly divided it into 5 tips. Before we get started, I want to say that I will provide you the videos consist of the tips to improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary and basics. So friends, let's get started. The first tip is that start to watch some interesting and entertaining videos like traveling, cooking, motivational, technical, daily vlogs, any topic that you like. You can find lots of videos in YouTube. I didn't mean that to watch some English classes or grammar classes. You have to watch the necessary grammar classes. Also, you have to watch something interesting and entertaining videos. My interested areas are cooking, traveling, daily vlogs. Okay, so I have been watching the videos like I have been following some channels like BBC Cooking, Travel Beans and some other Indian talk shows. You can follow any accents, you can watch any videos. The important point is that the video you're going to watch should be simple and precise to understand. And it should be simple English videos. As a beginner, it is better to watch simple English videos. It is helpful for more understanding. So friends, let's move on to the second tip. The second tip is that you have to use the subtitles option. As a beginner, it would be better to use the subtitles option for the first 2 or 3 months of your listening practice. Afterwards, after that 2 or 3 months, you have to try to watch videos without the help of subtitles, okay? Actually, this is for the better improvement. I still use the subtitles option because some kind of accents are really difficult to understand. So you can watch a video with or without the help of subtitles. Some videos are really difficult to understand. So this subtitles option is really helpful for more improvement, more understanding. So friends, the third tip is that if you feel a particular video is really difficult to understand or too much fast, you can slow down the video. In YouTube, there is an option available to slow down. You can find the option in the top right corner near to the subtitles option, that 3-dot icon. I would suggest this option if you feel too much difficulties to understand a video. So friends, the fourth tip is that you have to do the listening practice on regular basis. If you listen regularly, it would become part of your habit. So try to do it regularly and don't take it a complex activity. You are only need to spend 15 to 20 minutes a day. So try to find the videos with a duration like 15 to 20 minutes and you are going to watch something interesting videos. So it's not going to be a boring activity. So friends, the last tip is that try to do the listening practice in the morning time. In the morning time, you could be more energetic and mindful. I prefer to do this kind of practice in the morning time. You know what, I always do listen videos or podcasts in the morning time with a cup of coffee. So you can make it a pleasant activity. So friends, this is all about the tips. Before we get concluded, I want to say that why is this listening practice too important? You're going to watch the videos on daily basis. So if you listen on daily basis, you could understand the nature and practical use of English language. So also you can understand the way the native speakers are using the language. The native speakers mostly use some kind of important and popular English words, okay? So you could get new vocabulary. So if you come across any new words or vocabulary, try to note it down and try to find its meaning. So friends, I have been following these tips from the beginning. It helped me a lot to improve my English listening comprehension, okay? So I hope that it would help you to improve your English listening skills. Try to follow these tips. It's really helpful to improve your English listening skills. So friends, thanks a lot for watching this and please subscribe my channel for more videos. So friends, we'll see you in the next video.